Veloy Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how exclusive perks are being offered to everyday users. Veloy membership in 2025 provides access to curated deals, cashback rewards, and lifestyle benefits, but is it worth joining? The surprising truth is versatility. Most people get this wrong by assuming memberships only offer discounts. Veloy combines shopping rewards, travel perks, and financial tools into a single subscription, helping members maximize value across multiple areas of daily life. Another advantage is convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app's dashboard consolidating rewards, tracking savings, and notifying you of special deals. This makes it easier to use benefits without juggling multiple programs. However, cons exist. Membership comes with a monthly fee, which may not justify value for infrequent users. Certain deals are limited or region-specific, reducing accessibility. Also, some users report a learning curve navigating all features initially. In conclusion, Veloy membership in 2025 is ideal for proactive members looking to combine rewards, savings, and lifestyle perks. It offers a central platform for maximizing benefits, but casual users should weigh the fee against the actual value they'll receive. For those engaged with its offerings, it's a compelling membership with strong potential to save and enhance daily life.